Hello from Made in Java and hi, this is Deepak Sonar. In today's video tutorial, we are going to talk about finally keyword. There is a question: if system.exit of 0 is written at the end of try block, will the finally block still execute? But before going to question or focusing on answer, we have to know about what is exactly the finally keyword. The finally keyword is used to create a block of code that follows a try block. Then after, a finally block of code always executes whether or not an exception has occurred. If you see here, there is a one class I have really created. In it there is a main method. In main method I have defined try, catch, and then after finally. So we have to focus upon what is the exact purpose of finally block. The finally block's exact purpose is for garbage collection. For if I open some sort of resources in my try block, and if there is occur in some sort of exception, then this catch block gets executed, and after once the your exception is get caught, then after finally block is always executed. But there is a special or miscellaneous case where finally block does not executes, in which case, so we are focusing upon right now on answer. In the following code snippet, final block will not execute because when you say system.exit of 0, the control immediately goes out of the program and thus finally never executes. So if you focus upon our program, in try block I have printed for system.out.println in try block, and then after system.execute exit of 0. What exactly the 0 means? 0 indicated for normal termination, non-zero indicates abnormal termination. In this condition, this is a normal termination. Because of the normal termination, the final block does not get executed. Actually, we have defined the catch block. If the catch in catch block the exception is get caught, then in catch block is will print or either or not exception get caught or not, the finally block always executes. But in this case we have defined system.exit of 0, that's why finally block will not get executed. If we see the output of the program, then we will find out more. Let's see. Yeah, if you see here, only in try block statement is get executed, because after in try block we have executed or written a code like system.execute exit of 0, and that's only because the normal termination is get executed, and that's why final block is not get executed. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe me for more.